Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 14 by 14 inch canvas that I have recently added black to the edges of and put a thin layer of Meeden Black paint on. I have used one of these containers that it's not showing a lid right now. Anyway, I cut it down into a shovel shape that has a wide lip on the front so I can fill it up with paint. And I'm going to use some Prism Pour paints. But right now, before I do that, I'm going to fill up this container. I'm going to start with some Anita's White Metallic as a base. Move that right over here, where I can tell you the colors that I'm going to put in. And I'm going to start with some Claret. Put the lid back on. Some African Violet. Some Poinsettia. This is an awesome color, it really is. Can't get enough of that. I'm going to be really sorry when I run out. They've got Frosted Berry. These are part of a couple new collections, one of which is Winter Wonderland. I think the Frosted Berry is on the other one. And that has to be the Jack Frost collection. I mistook that for a color the other day, but that is the name of the collection. Now, when I'm doing this, I see that I'm missing something, I will add something. I've got some Royal Galaxy. Oh, I didn't stir. Well, I guess we'll find out how it works when I don't stir. I used them yesterday, so they were stirred yesterday. I have a little bit of Hot Orchid, which will become a lot of Hot Orchid shortly. Oh, that's moving very slow. That could use a little more. I'm mixing with Vivid Polypore, slightly less than half of the same amount as the color. I have Tuscan Sun, and I'm going to put this all into an open cup, but it's going to look like a canning funnel, so it's a canning funnel pour, but I noticed that everybody calls them open cup pours. That was my pink diamond. Put this back out of the way. I should have, it's working very well, the depth of the cup. This is some Aztec Gold. I'm tempted to put a little bit of black in there, but I'm going to put some of this orange that's been several different oranges. It starts with yellow and gets orange added to it, and now it's got some Vivid Polypore in it. Anyway, the reason I'm putting it into the cup is so that it will mix. And I'm going to throw one more little dollop, or one more little squirt of the white in there before I give myself a puddle of Meeden paint. In both directions. I have no idea what this is going to look like, but I do know the Prism Pour colors are bomb, and you can get yourself a 20% off promo code by looking right under the video. I hope this isn't horrible. So far so good, I guess. Let's put some white down there. Some Anita's White Metallic. Oh, okay, that was not part of the plan. But it's still going to work, I think. Let's cross our fingers and toes. I'm going to hit that really quickly with a torch, because that sometimes will encourage cells. I'm wishing there weren't quite so many objects in my way. That looks like a goodly amount of paint. I may use an edge catcher. I'm definitely going to tilt. Here come the cells. really want to blow into that. I don't know why. I really had no intention of tipping my funnel originally. I'm not sure what that thing is, but I'm pretty sure somewhere here I have a pair of tweezers, yes. If it's a bubble, I think it's a bubble, I can go. I'll check by looking in the light, letting the reflection of the light off the painting show me where there might be lumps of anything or bubbles. I'm kind of seeing something right now. Right there. Not sure what that is. I'm pretty darn sure I'm going to like this. So my paint pouring recipe, such as it is under the video for Prism Pours. And if you're not watching a video with Prism Pour paint in the title, you'll find my regular pouring recipe for my other acrylic paints. So far, I'm extremely pleased with this. I think I could have added a little more white, and I think I still might do that. And just mess it around a little bit, because paint will flow to paint. And if I don't have enough paint, wow, that's going to be gorgeous. Then adding some will help the rest flow nicely. Such as, let's make sure I'm not pouring any Floetrol. I'd like to see that move in this direction. And I know I can stretch it if I've got the paint. And I did put a sheet of acetate onto my table. So if I wanted to do this, matter of fact, I really like just a really small piece right now. Because using the vivid polypore to mix the colors with means that things move pretty slowly. I like that to go over just enough to cover. And I'm thinking that it might be worth the risk to continue on, back up over here and add some more white, possibly. First I want to see what that is, because whatever it is, it's leaving a mark. I love the white metallic, and you could probably use Chantilly lace, which is another Prism Pour paint. So if I tip that back the wrong way, it will often merge with the paint that's there. Let's just meld this right in here. Just use my bamboo skewer to spread some paint around. I don't think my finger's going to hurt anything either. I'm really tempted to add some color over there. But it looks like I'm going to make the corner after all, which is perfect. It's a time-consuming perfect, but it's still perfect. So those are some huge cells. And that worked out at least as well as I was hoping for, but I still want a little something something. Ooh, that was slippery. I almost dropped the pink diamond. Now I've got just enough. There we go. Maybe just a little more on the other side too, since it's already there on my spoon. I like that fine. I do like messing with my projects though. This is interesting down here, this little white spot. That's pretty cool. I just have to question whether I'm done or not. So I love you guys, and you inspire the heck out of me, and I thought I'd tell you. Thank you for all the wonderful comments that you leave me that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for always inspiring me to continue on. Thank you for the donations that help keep me buying art supplies. And if you are somebody who chooses to find the PayPal icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner and make a donation, you'll be automatically invited through an email to get into the monthly drawing. And you can see the prizes on the exhibition video at the very beginning. The exhibition video is in the last 20 seconds of this video. That's pretty cool. I want some orange. I guess I'm just not as capable of stopping as I would like to think I am. Sometimes I am. That's not what I'd call a whole lot of orange. But I don't think I need a whole lot to make the kind of impact that I'm looking for. It looks like a flower to me. I am going to torch again. I'm not so sure about that white spot, so I'm not going to worry about it if I mess with it. I think that's it. She says that, but you can never trust her. I'm not done till I'm done. I don't think this needed as much messing with as I just gave it, but I'm not complaining either. Alright, so what do I see? See, I need to get that out of my hand. Wipe off my finger. I really want some... Yes, I'm going to give myself permission to put a little poinsettia up in that corner. Just leave a bud. Clean off my utensil right on the painting. Little poinsettia here and there, no big deal. Alright, I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I told you my recipe is under Show More when you open Show More under the video. The first thing you're going to see is that 20% off promo code. I recommend this stuff, and I really like using the Vivid Poly Pour with it. It's a little slower for me than using it with my paint in bottles, but the finished dried result is shimmery and gorgeous, and I love it. On my link tree, which is underneath Show More under the video, you're going to find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, my Amazon link where my 2 books are located, because I can in Unlimited Possibilities. And any shopping you do from there helps me out, and I really appreciate it very much. I've got paint on my tile and I want to use it. I like this from all different directions. This is pretty much exactly what I was hoping for. I've got to tell you the truth. I will see you guys anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Make sure you check out my Legallerist on the link tree too. Awesome investment quality clothing made in Montreal. And my Society 6 is the bomb. My email address is below the link tree. EASPB and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. Any and all shopping you do helps me stay on YouTube. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments again, and thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. If I've forgotten something, it's the fact that I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I want to remind you I do sell my artwork. So if you're an art collector and you'd like to collect some artwork, something like this would be awesome. And there, we're not done recording, and you can see those cells now. I should have done that like, I don't know, 5 minutes ago. Darn. Anyway, I love you guys. Thanks for being here. I post 7 days a week, and I have 2,300 videos you can find by going to my channel. Playlists, all playlists, created playlists, and if you can't find them, I have them organized by topic, genre, and the 100, and I can help you. Not a problem. Whatever I'm forgetting, you'll hear on another video. Please feel free to ask me questions. My community board will usually show you tomorrow's video, and I think that's everything that I can see for now. Spring clothing under the video. Oh, I'd really like your thumbs up. Please, can I have the thumbs up? Thank you for sharing and watching longer and watching the commercials. All those things help me afford to stay here. I appreciate your help. Bye for now. Happy New Year. See you anon. Priscilla out.